everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you 10 lines on unity and diversity. So without wasting any time, let's get started. India is a country of many cultures and traditions. People in India follow different religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, and more. India has many languages, but people live together peacefully. Festivals like Diwali, Eid, and Christmas are celebrated by everyone. People eat different types of food and wear different clothes. India's diversity makes it rich and unique. We respect each other's beliefs and customs. Unity and diversity helps India stay strong and united. It teaches us the value of harmony and togetherness. India is an example of unity and diversity for the whole world. That's all for this video. If this video was helpful for you, then do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye and take care. I'll see you soon in my next video.